Hello guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And what are we gonna do today? Well, I'm still busy on the S1000R engine. And today we're gonna put the throttle bodies back on the engine. Is that easy? Well, it's out, so it's always easy. I would say come on over and we start. Over here I have the throttle bodies. Up. These are the throttle bodies, guys. First we're gonna have a look. The first thing we're gonna do is see. Okay. All looks very good on this side. Okay, looks good too. Carefully open them. Okay. Well, guys, these throttle bodies looks like new. Okay. Just a tiny bit, but it's gonna be easy, very easy. Yes. Now, let's go. We're gonna take these out. Okay, looks good. I'm going to warm the rubbers a bit up so they are more flexible. Yes, there we go. Nice and warm. So then we're gonna put a tiny smear of silicone grease in here so they settle easy, and a tiny bit up, just make it a tiny bit slippery, not much, but okay. Well, then like this, get them a bit in position like this. Yep. See, wait a minute. I'm gonna show you. There is this, yeah, lip. Hoop, like that. This one also. Yes. Bit. And this one too. Oh, oops. Yes. Over there. Then turn them all. This one to that side. These to that side. Now we're going to push the throttle bodies on top. Click, here, and they are going in very easy. Yep. Okay. Then I have this tool, and the only thing you have to do is, let's see, I think it was this one. Yep. Hop. And then it goes one further. See? This one too. Click. Goes in there. This one too. Turn it a bit like that. Hop. Grab it. Up. And this one too. Guys, this is really easy. With the right tools, of course. Oh, wait a minute. Yes. Is it in? Sure. It's fully in. Yes. And the look. This one. Be sure they are perfectly seated. There. Okay. Oh, this was easy. Now let's move on.